Okay, so here we go. For this activity, what we're going to do is a couple of things. Right here it says activity 2, making triangles from squares, and you can read the directions. First, you want to click right here on this link to download the activity. And when you do this, you're going to have to make a copy of it so that you can have your own version of the activity, and it'll save in your Google Drive. So go ahead and click make a copy. Now, when you make a copy, if you want to click on the top up here, if you click inside of this box, you can actually change the name of it. So if you don't like where it says copy of, you can just go ahead and take that off. You can put your name on it. You can change it however you want to. That's up to you. The next thing that we're going to do is let's go ahead and read the directions. And you're going to use the squares that are on the outside of the page to make 3 triangles using an A, B, and C square. Each triangle should only have an A, a B, and a C square. I'm going to move this here for a minute. If you want to, if you're not able to see the squares that are on the outside of your edges here, you can click on the zoom out option here. And if you zoom out, there are all of your squares along the edges. And all the A's are on the left side, the B's are down on the bottom, and your C's are over on the right-hand side. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one a B, and a C, and we're going to put them together right here in order to make a triangle. So I'm going to zoom back in here, and I'm going to start by dragging an A over here like this, and then I'm going to come down here and we'll drag a B. Now, in order to make these match up, what I want to do is I want to make sure that the corners of my squares here go together. So you'll see that right here, the corners are going to match up on my squares. That's how we're going to make our triangles. I'm going to take those corners and match them together. Then I'm going to drag one of my C's over here, and I'm going to match it up right there. And again, you can see that the corners all match together right here, so that the shape on the inside right here makes a triangle, and specifically it makes a right triangle. That's what we're trying to achieve here. So we've taken 3 different squares, an A, a B, and a C, and we've matched them together. Now you'll notice that the numbers on the outside here, this is the areas of each of the squares. And we're going to be talking about these areas here in the next couple of days. But these areas are important because we want to know what the areas of the squares are that create the triangle. After we created this first triangle, we're then going to click on the next triangle and put them together in triangle 2, and then make a big one over here in triangle 3. When you're done, you can click right down here, and this will show you what the answer is. But wait to check your answers until you're done so that you can try to see if you got it correct first. Now, once you are finished with this, you are going to turn this piece of paper in later. On the website, there is the form that you're going to fill in here in a minute. You're going to do this at the very last. This is going to be the last thing you do before you turn everything in. And when you click on this, you're going to upload this copy that we just worked on right here where it says activity 2. And you're just going to add this file to this form and turn it in. That's how you're going to get credit for it. If you have any questions, let us know, and you want to work through all the rest of the activities on your own. Good luck.